New Samsung Z Flip Fold, that's 6. Buds Pro, Ring Impression. Galaxy Watch 7 and Watch Ultra. Samsung follows a simple business philosophy: to devote its talent and technology to creating superior products and services that contribute to a better global society. Samsung unveiled a host of new products on July 10th at a Galaxy Unpacked event in Paris. The launches included the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6, alongside new smart wearables like the Samsung Galaxy Ring Impression, Galaxy Watch Ultra, Galaxy Buds 3 and Buds 3 Pro True Wireless Stereo, TWS earphones. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 specifications. Both Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Watch Z Flip 6 are powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipsets paired with 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of onboard storage. The phones ship with Android 14-based One UI 6.1.1 skin on top. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 sports a 6-inch 120Hz QXGA Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X Infinity Flexmern display and a 6.3-inch HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X cover screen. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 has a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X Infinity Flex display and a 3.4-inch Super AMOLED outer screen. For optics, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is equipped with a 50-megapixel triple rear camera unit, while the Galaxy Z Flip 6 has a 50-megapixel dual rear camera system. Both handsets have 10-megapixel selfie cameras with an additional 4-megapixel under-display sensor on the Z Fold 6. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 comes with a 4,400 mAh battery with 25-watt wired as well as fast wireless charging to 0.0 and wireless power share charging support. The Galaxy Z Flip 6, on the other hand, is backed by a 4,000 mAh battery with similar charging specifications. Samsung's new AI features are at the forefront of these devices, similar to Apple's recent updates. Samsung has grouped all AI functionalities under the Galaxy AI banner. This includes features like Call Assist, which helps manage calls, and Note Assist, which summarizes notes. The AI also extends to the browser, offering summarizations of web pages and generative fills for photos. Drawing Assist is another interesting addition. It can transform your sketches into different art styles within Samsung Notes, providing a fun and creative outlet for users. These AI enhancements aim to make everyday tasks more efficient, engaging. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 price is $1,199.99, and Galaxy Z Flip 6 price is $1,099.99. Both bring minimal improvements over their predecessors, yet start $100 higher than previous releases. Galaxy Watch 7 and Watch Ultra specifications. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, available in 40mm and 44mm variants, is powered by the 3-nanometer Exynos W1000 chipset, paired with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of onboard storage. It runs on Wear OS-based One UI 6 watch out of the box. The smaller variant carries a 300 mAh battery, while the 44mm variant gets a 425 mAh battery. The two options sport 1.3-inch 432 by 432 pixels and 1.5-inch 480 by 480 pixels. AMOLED always-on displays, respectively. The Galaxy Watch 7 starts at $299.99. 3 distinct watch bands are available for the Galaxy Watch 7 models. Samsung's Galaxy Watch Ultra features a similar display as the 44mm Galaxy Watch 7 variant and has similar processor, storage, and OS specifications. It packs a 590 mAh battery with support for WPC-based wireless fast charging. The smartwatch also comes with 10 ATM water resistance. All the watch models are equipped with several health and fitness trackers. The Galaxy Watch Ultra costs $649.99 and is available in titanium gray, titanium white, or titanium silver. It also has 3 distinct watch bands: Marine, Trail, and Peak Form. Galaxy Buds 3 and Buds 3 Pro specifications. The $249.99 Buds 3 Pro do have one standout aspect of their design. On each earbud is a thin blade light, that can illuminate to indicate Bluetooth pairing status, and you can also set the lights to stay on at all times. The Pro earbuds have an in-ear fit with silicone tips, while the $179.99 priced regular Buds 3 go with an open style, designed for people who don't like the feeling of having their ears plugged up. Both earbuds offer active noise cancellation. Audio performance in general should also be a step up on the Buds 3 Pro, since they include two-way drivers in each earbud, whereas the standard Buds 3 have just single drivers. The Buds 3 Pro now include adaptive noise cancellation, so the ANC will automatically be adjusted based on your surroundings. When the earbuds detect important sounds like sirens, they'll temporarily dial back the noise cancellation to let those through. Both sets of earbuds are rated IP57 against dust and water, and they also both support wireless charging. Samsung's proprietary Bluetooth codec is now capable of wirelessly streaming up to 24-bit durch 96 kHz audio, so long as you use the Buds 3 or 3 Pro with one of the company's recent phones. But as usual, Samsung continues to exclude LDAC. Multipoint also remains absent. These buds only offer automatic switching between Samsung devices. The Pro version has slightly longer battery life, lasting for up to 6 hours on a charge with ANC on, or a total of 26 hours, including case recharges. The Buds 3 can hit 5 and 24 hours, respectively, or 6 and 30 hours if you leave ANC off, which I suspect people often will. Samsung claims that voice call quality has substantially improved across the lineup, thanks to the inclusion of Super Wideband, a feature that has already come to competing earbuds like the Pixel Buds Pro, Galaxy Ring, marking a significant entry into a new product category. Samsung introduced the Galaxy Ring having price of $400. It is a health and wellness-focused wearable. This titanium ring packs a surprising amount of technology, including an accelerometer, PPG sensors for blood flow and temperature, and the ability to track sleep, movement, heart rate, respiration, and menstrual cycles. The Galaxy Ring delivers an energy score to provide a holistic view of your health and offers suggestions for improvement. There's no subscription required, making it a potentially budget-friendly option compared to some competitors. Additional features include automatic workout detection, heart rate alerts, inactivity reminders, and the ability to control your Galaxy phone's camera remotely. The Galaxy Ring boasts a 7-day battery life with a quick charging case, and interestingly, its battery life can be extended by up to 30% when paired with a Galaxy Watch G. Samsung's latest offerings continue to push the boundaries of technology. The new foldables, enhanced AI features, and innovative wearables are impressive, while the prices have increased. The improvements and new features could make them worthwhile for many users. It's all about the Samsung new inventions. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications of upcoming exciting tech videos.